Echo Gaming here, and today we are just doing a video since it's Easter, I'm doing an Easter video, and this is a Happy Easter video, so yeah, and guess what I am inside of, just try to guess. If you said Easter egg, you are correct. So yeah guys, I actually made this. It's not too good, but it sort of looks like one. Sort of. It's bad still. Okay, so, yeah guys, this video was just me wishing you a happy Easter, and so yeah, and I choose the patterns texture pack because it looks more Easterish and stuff, so yeah. I mean literally, look at those. So yeah guys, this was a short video on just happy Easter, and also thanks for all the support in my YouTube channel. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my video so far. So yeah guys, see you later. Goodbye.